One fouled off, 2-2. And a swing and a miss. And now one.
Not sure what's going on right there. No chance. Probably have some funny texts from his buddies after the game.
On the ground to third. Chipper fires to first. Quick start, hit that one. And Jason Dominguez digs in now.
Jason Dominguez.
And that one is lifted in the air. Can't get their base hit. Around first and hustling for second. They're still chasing it as he rounds second. And he'll make it into third with a trip side. And now the lefty. That one ripped. That's back there. Pulls it in on the warning track. Runner tags for home, and they'll score a called strike. That one hammered left field. That's back there. Turning, looking, and that one is gone. So he just clears the wall, and they add up. Swings and misses. And it's 0-1. And that one handled. The throw to first. Barely. Hit weakly on the ground. Fires across the diamond. Out to short. Cruz handles the chant, the initial offering. Hit weakly on the ground towards second. Jimenez throw to first. There's a swing and a drive. Way back there. Turn.
No.
Swings and blasts one deep to left center. That's back. Pulls it in on the warning track. And now center fielder WILLIE Mays. His first at bat was a strikeout.
Mays.
Line drive, base hit. Lays out. He's got it.
The hitter right there. Everything was on time and fluid in that swing. Got it.
Runner on the go. Smash to the left side. Now it hits him in the chest. He doesn't have a play, and so they end up with wrapped foul. And the 0-1. Oh, now this one's high and deep. Way back there. On its way. Gone. He made him pay for that one, and they tack on to the. The 1-1. Rodriguez on the move as he glides back. Pulls it down, and he makes the 0-2. Swing and a miss, and he got him. One down, base is empty. Swing and a ball hammered left field. That's back there. Turning, looking, and that one is gone. And now Austin Riley, a guy who makes an impact not just at the plate but also in the field. Now fly ball to right center. Davis gliding back.
A little too quick on that front shoulder, front hip, front foot. Everything comes open. No way of making contact with that one.
And comes up to him. Jason Kendall. Oh, now this one's high and deep. Way back there. On its way. Gone. He'll. Alvarez ranging into the alley. Makes the grab, and that's the inning. Swing and a miss. The velocity. Here's Andres Jimenez.
The second baseman.
He's got the power, but great contact skills. One of the best contact hitters in the game. And there's a rocket into the outfield. Around first, heading for two. And he starts his afternoon off right with a double. Swanson stands in. He's turned into one of the best shortstops in the game. Jones picks it up, and Swanson is set down. Good late. And the 2-2. Jimenez collects it. Over to first. 2 up, 2 down. Alvarez going back on this one. No trouble here. And a pop-up. Right side. Foul territory. Morneau
tried to do a little bit too much. Sometimes those eyes can get really big. I think his swing broke down as well, and that's what caused him to pop it up.
On the ground. Tosses to... Bounced up the middle. Gathers and throws to first. Here's a drive out to right center. Way back there. Look out. Gone. Jimenez handles the chance. Gets it to first. That's the third out. Game putting bat on ball.
He's got such quick hands, and he's gaining pitch recognition. That keeps him square to the plate. There's a good chance that his bat stays in the zone a lot.
Well, got the right-hander back to work. There's a swing and a drive. That's back there. Pulls it in on the warning track. Makes the catch for the out. Here's the catcher to hit. Andrew Tate.
The catcher.
He's not going to get cheated up there.
No, he's not. He's looking to do damage with every swing he takes.
Swings through that one. 0-1. The wind of the pitch. Hit hard on the ground is short. Throws across the diamond. 0-2 now. Lays down a bunt to the right side. Not in time. He's safe. 1 out here in the inning. Swing and a miss, and he's
the second baseman, Andre.
Here comes Emmanuel Clase out of the bullpen. It's his job to keep his team in the game.
So at this point in the ball game, we're talking about middle innings, and you need a little length out of this arm coming out of the bullpen. We'll see just how many outs he's able to give his skipper.
0-2 as he waves at that one. Clase, he's kind of a prototypical bullpen arm in today's game. Electric stuff that results in a ton. Down to the dirt, swing and a miss. In time. Ortiz over at first with 1 away. And
friends down in the South would say
insurance.
No matter how you
that ends the inning. And a pitch. Out towards right center. That's well struck. And it's off the wall. Now the tag at second, and he's out. Trying.